Here's how to make a delicious sausage roll wreath for this Christmas with Odlums. So we're going to start firstly by rolling out the puff pastry. For a great puff pastry recipe, click the link above. So we're going to dust the surface with some of the Odlums cream plain super flour. And then we're just going to roll out puff pastry. So we're just rolling this out as thin as we can get it so you get nice thin crispy layers for your sausage rolls. And then just pipe your sausage meat good thick amount all the way across the puff pastry. We're just going to then roll this across firstly and then tuck it in, and then we're just going to egg wash then the pastry so it sticks. Just roll it then in over itself like so, and now we just cut down on the center point, and then we just cut nice sized portions all along. Lift it onto a tray with parchment paper firstly. Roll it then into a nice wreath. So all you do now is you twist each one up like so. You just twist them up gently like so. So we just brush it all with egg wash and then just sprinkle with some sesame seeds on top. So this goes into the oven at 180 degrees. We're going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. So for the cranberry sauce, we're going to go in with the cranberries first. To that we add the brown sugar and 2 star anise and 1 cinnamon stick. Some creme de cassis and the juice of half an orange. Place the cranberry sauce into a bowl in the center of the wreath, and there you have it, a delicious sausage roll wreath for this Christmas with Odlums.